So now that we have arrays, now that we've used them, inside of some of our looping mechanisms, the next most basic question is, can I pass an array to a function? That's a really great question. Yeah, absolutely you can. The easiest way we can see this really is program 7.18 on page 410. There's no mystery in this. It's not that I think that this is unimportant. We are going to spend the rest of time essentially passing arrays from one function to another. But is it any different than it has been this whole while, essentially since last chapter, with passing arguments to a function? No, it's the exact same thing. The only difference is we have to demonstrate that we are passing an array to a function in the function prototype by showing the open and the close brace, so that way C++ knows, oh, the argument I'm going to be passed here is an array. And then again, in the actual function definition, we would have to show again that this is the argument that we're willing to accept, and that argument is going to be an array. So what does that all mean? In program 7.18, you'll notice that line number 6, we have the show values function prototype, and you'll notice the first of the two arguments that's willing to accept is going to be an array. So int and then open and close brace. That's all we have to do. So if this was a double, we would have double, open and close brace. If this was string, we would have string, open and close brace. On line number 30, we have the function definition. And there you'll notice on line 30, we've got int nums, which I hate saying into a microphone for all of eternity, nums. But there you have it. So int numbers, and then we would have the open and the close brace, and then the other argument, just the regular integer argument there. That's it. C++ is going to know, based on your function prototype and then your function definition, hey, I need to set up enough space to have another copy of that array. So however big your array is, C++ is going to gather and assume those resources. For any return that you would do from here, C++ would have to make space enough for those resources there. So this is exactly the same deal as if we were passing, a more cardinal data type, an integer or a double or a character. It's just that we're passing an array instead. And really there is no difference except to show the kind of array that you are passing a function by simply showing the open and the close brace. That's all. It's nice when it's easy, isn't it?